He's warming up.
And he is warming up indeed. All right. Well, the crowd getting what they want. Memphis Depay warming up. Takes to the field officially as a Barça player for the very first time in his preseason friendly against Girona here in the Estadio of Football Club Barcelona. As Memphis here than already
He's
did.
a confident player. He just went there, asked for the ball, took height on, and that was a cross.
Spectacular save from that.
We're in a goal against Barça.
Wow. Sergio Retor now. Fine for that penalty. Girona player full of confidence, of course. As
he's confident straight away, Memphis. Asking for every...
Memphis intercepts the ball. Barça now on the counter-attack. Memphis lifts his head, sees Ricky Puig in the box, but takes one more dribble. Here in the Estadio Johan Cruyff, Barça leading by 2-1. Goal scored by Gerard Piqué from the penalty spot. And Rey Manay took a deflection. And it was no problems for Juan Carlos to land that ball safe. Injured for the now substituted Memphis Depay. The goal by Girona, scored by Samu Saif. Please join us for the second half. Don't go anywhere. Here's Yusuf. Tries to get that ball to Mortimer. Memphis will fight for it. He'll get it. Fights for position. Friendly for Football Club Barcelona in testing Juan Carlos.
And I've been following a little bit.
Carlos, but Memphis Depay again eager to try to get his name.
Game against Barça B.
Watch out, Mike, because here's Memphis on the ball. Memphis will again unleash a rocket.
He's got so many things in his locker. Look at him now. He just controls it. He makes a touch. You think he's going to give it there, no chance. Goes.
Almost ready to come in.
Well, here's Ricky Puig trying to find Memphis. Very productive, not just as a full-out number 9, but on the left as well. Here he is. Memphis. So what do you think Koeman will look for in this second half with this second unit? Referee Miguel Angel Ortiz calls for a foul. Of the B team players as well, seeing if they assume perhaps the responsibility that we saw in Agavi.
So look at that.
Great little touch there by Griezmann to find Memphis. Memphis with a shot and nearly with his first goal.
You know, too spectacular. It's just one touch here from Griezmann to give Memphis the space for himself to take a shot.
Club Barcelona, as that just went flying wide off of the right post. Great attempt there by Memphis to put Barça nearly up 3-1.
You don't need
on the attack. Ilias still on the ball, gets dispossessed by Memphis.
Once you don't get it, okay, no problem, I'll try again. But when it's the fifth time...
Frankie now finds Antoine. Antoine is inside of the box. Tries to look for Memphis Depay. Here's Memphis. Holds on to the ball. Looks for help. That game was won by Barça with a 1-0 margin thanks to a goal from Leo Messi.
Was it from the penalty spot?
Indeed it was.
Yeah. Sometimes you kind of force those type of situations to actually gain some confidence, you know, that you are in control of the ball, that you are in control of the situation.
This is also a player that likes to play with his back towards the defenders and kind of receive that ball.
Yeah.
Which, again, that upper body strength. Looking for Memphis. Memphis gets it. Good first touch. He's got Musa next to him. Still Memphis. Musa taking his time. He's got Memphis in front of him. Memphis. Well, just under 15 minutes left here in the second half. Andrea, Barça still leading by those 2-1 that were scored in the first half. Collado combines with Memphis. Lovely little turn by Collado to find Memphis again. Memphis. We saw Memphis Depay making a run. Ball eventually gets to him.
Yeah, well, dropping deep.
And get climatized as quickly as possible. Memphis squaring up to take his first penalty as a Barça player, and it goes in! Right to the left top corner.
The Frenchman giving the ball to Memphis. You take it, get
And
some
we're
confidence.
seeing now
Great penalty kick for Memphis it is, and his first goal.
Well taken penalty, a great, you know, combination, Pjanic-Grealish after the game, and, you know, they will be good as well because the amount of sprinting is...
The one that he's been banking on for, can we say, a little over a year now. So let's not forget that. What will he do? Finds Griezmann. Griezmann to Depay. That Girona had been enjoying as Antoine Griezmann again is looking for Memphis. Memphis turns again.
To do something special there, but once again, you know, a good ball in here, maybe. Obviously, he could have taken it first touch after the first.
This time again, his efforts were rewarded, but he was unable to control the ball.
There's an understanding here, I can say straight away.